Yeah, let's go back.
So today we're unboxing the Yale X Nest door lock, and this is the automated door lock that you can control via through your phone, set codes and all that kind of good stuff. I just picked this up. This is brand new, just came out. I just picked it up from Best Buy. It's about $280 for this model. There's another model that doesn't come with the Wi-Fi hub, and it's a little cheaper. It's about 170, 160 bucks for that one. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in that bad boy. Let's get started. Instruction right here. Yeah, you read, because you know I can't read, right?
Yeah.
And we have a nice little handle on the box that so you can pull this out.
And not break it.
Let's pull this out. This is a Nest Connect. You're gonna set this up, so this is what it works with, along with your Nest thermostat if you have that, which I do. So that will set up a little later. So here we have the outside pad where you're going to be putting in your code to open the lock to come in. Open this up. Yes. Put this here. Comes with battery, 4 batteries, and whoa, pretty nice and heavy. Your inside lock. Probably look a key to open the top pad. Here you have all your screws and stuff, and here you have your lock itself, and that's basically it. So let's go ahead and hook up that bad boy up. So here we are at the door. This should be a very simple process. You're gonna have 4 screws to remove. You should just be using 1 Phillips screwdriver to remove all 4 screws, and you can use a screwdriver. In my case, I have my gun, so I'm gonna unscrew this. Just gonna pull it out. It's done. Pull that out. Here you have your deadbolt. You're gonna put it in to make sure that part is facing up. In my case here, I can see, and I have to make a little adjustment right here. So I need to get a chisel, and I'm gonna chisel out just the bottom part it's looking like, and I need to chisel out. Just a little bit. Let's try this again. And here we go. It's gonna push this on the outside right here. Push it through. Should we hold it through it? Try to get it as straight as possible. And this one past the wire right at the bottom here. And make sure you fit it all the way through. I'm going to be using the shorter ones for this door. Now you can see I'm a little bit crooked, so you want to make sure you get a level and have this as level as possible. Tighten it. Use our pin and remove that. Put our wire at the area. There's an area right there. You can secure the wire in. There we go. We're gonna install batteries.
logo to begin.
So it just came on. We're going to create our master code.
master code is set. Next, make sure the door is closed. Then press the check to continue. Make sure the door is closed. Then press the check to continue. Check to come up.
So installation is complete. Now we're going to add it to the Nest account. So we need to add the Nest Connect first. And we scan the code. Next. Press and hold and the blue button comes up. Click next. It's searching. There. Which Wi-Fi? We're gonna use the 2 gigahertz because a lot of those devices use 2 gigahertz. So we're gonna use that. Find a good spot to put this in. So we're gonna plug this in into the wall outlet. So the Nest is set up. Add another device. Scan the code. So the Nest Connect and the Yale Lock is talking to each other and doing the setup, going through the setup process. So we're all set. Everything is working. We can. So right now it's locked. Unlocking. We're going to test it. We're going to lock it. Hold the lock. So it's locked. It will lock itself automatically. If you walk away, it will lock itself automatically. So right now it's locked. So we come touch the Yale logo, put in your passcode, and it's open. Access to all your account. You have privacy mode. Privacy mode is when they will have to use the app to open. And right now that's off. We have family and guests. So you can say to add people and give them access to the lock, set different passcode and all that kind of good stuff on there. And here you have your history on here also. And basically you also have your settings. You can go your settings and add different stuff. You can volume, put the volume on high. Because it does have audio on there. Calibrate lock, replacement, replace the data, technical info, one touch locking is on. Touch the logo on the lock, it will lock. Notifications, I'm going to put my notifications on, so whenever somebody come in, it will send you a notification. You can set to how long you want the door to lock automatically after you leave. So I'm gonna leave it on 1 minute. So if I walk away, it'll lock itself. So that's pretty cool. This is Charlie. Like and subscribe. I'm out.